Tired of seeing that dreaded payment error when you're craving your favorite takeout? Let's fix that. First, let's make sure your payment information is accurate. Open your DoorDash app and tap the account icon, usually located in the bottom right corner. Scroll down until you see Payment Methods and give that a tap. Here, you'll see all the payment methods you have saved. Carefully review each one, double-check the card number, expiration date, and the CVV code. Those three little numbers on the back of your card, an incorrect digit can easily cause an error. If anything is wrong, tap Edit and make the necessary corrections. Don't forget to save your changes. If your card information is correct, consider adding another payment method. Sometimes banks flag transactions they see as unusual. Having a backup can save the day. Tap Add a payment method and follow the instructions to add a new card or link your PayPal account. Still getting the error? It might be a problem on DoorDash's end or with your bank. It's time to contact DoorDash support. You can find their contact information in the app's help section or on their website. Explain the issue clearly and they'll be able to assist you. And that's it. Hopefully, these steps will get you back to enjoying your DoorDash deliveries in no time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips.